Alright, so today we are at Juicy Crabs and I just okay, we on one side. No, look, we right there. Yes, ma'am. Right there. Yeah. Go in there. Oh, that smells so good. The first thing I'm about to try is don't know why I did that. Wait, what's that glove at? Do not touch anything yet. Payday, bro. For real? I'm trying to take pictures. Oh.
No, I
Oh, okay. You're good then. Oh, okay. I thought there was no seasoning on the board there. I'm like, every single time I never open the crab right. I know how to open the crab, but like I just like never eat it right.
I'll look up the other crab. Yeah, I'll put the picture.
Yeah, to see our trash is off, I'm saying that because they kind of need this. That's good. Ooh, it's a big one. You want sausage, Brooklyn? What is that? The sausage. I'm looking at the sausage. Can I better look for it? No? You want a shrimp? Paper towel. On a paper towel. Yeah.
Yeah, you got to grab it still.
Alright. That's what I did. Let's go. Who does that? Like, who legitimately?
Oh, I had a cut on one of my fingers, bro.
I have my whole entire family here. It was about to be expensive.
Good? What you mean, yeah?
You know?
Hello, sir. Would you like to try a new chicken tendy combo?
Ew.
I want to try a new chicken.
Alright, so actually, me and my sisters never been there. We live in Louisiana. Pineville. Louisiana, Pineville. You can tell off, my hands are sticky. And since my hands are messy, I cannot party. So this is just going to be a long video. Thank you. And there's a lot of people behind us, so like I'm not like trying to like moving around and stuff. Biggie!
Bro, what? You got chicken tenders, huh? Wait, Ken, you want a chicken tenders? Like that. Right there. Hey, let me try a fry with my mom. She don't got a fry, try it.
That was strawberry lemonade. I'm not gonna be dirty. I'm gonna say that.
Yeah, it's gonna be hard today.
Can you hold one? Man, cause I can barely fix my bed, and I actually know how to Eat crack. Dude, I don't even know how to crack a small one. Like, we haven't had seafood in a long time. Like, we have crabs, and then we have crawfish and stuff, but never like seafood, like crab legs. What?
Can I get that?
Sure.
Appreciate it.
The Golden Corral is popular. Like, a lot of people don't come here, but like, and I have a feeling that y'all can't even hear me as I speak. But y'all probably heard that.
Some honestly built different. Like, what?
Shut up, baby.
Oh, sorry.
Let's try a potato. Oh, them potatoes good. Dang, Biggie.
Y'all bad at rolling bags.
Like, my favorite,
Yeah, take me down.
the shrimps.
You know.
But I mean, he needs to get like more just sauce on it. And if I see like do this like a lot of times, like the skin, it looks like the best. And when it falls, I don't see it. And I did with that blue thing. My potato, I think
You think it's crazy.
little sausage. Oh, no, they spicy. Now a potato. For some reason, like, it's like the music in here is blasting. Like, I can't even hear the TV no more.
It's muted. I wish those polar bears were still
All
fighting.
TVs are muted in restaurants. Maybe it's seven football, but yeah. Like if you go to a bar, they're always going to be playing football.
Besides those things, those football games.
Now, for some reason, I'm mad because it's going to get probably a lot more spicy. A lot more spicier. And I don't know. that was our serving. It's starting to get a lot spicy. Cheers.
Can I put these back in there? Alright, I got it out. Let me see it. This one just got up, man.
What are these?
Shrimp. I mean, sausage.
Alright, chocolate.
Oh, what are you looking for? Sausage. Oh, here we go.
Alright.
Got corn and shrimp in there, and all you want is some sausage. Oh, the sausage is for some right now.
I just like need some more water.
Like, I would definitely eat those shrimp with it.
They're gone.
See, told you, Mickey.
But look, she got way more than me. Look.
Yo, did y'all not have, like, crab?
We
Y'all
did.
didn't have crab legs?
We had a little bit. We were like 3 or 4.
Oh, that look good.
What is this?
Alright, so
Whatever.
so one time I was at home looking at just I saw a seafood board and it was like I was had some seafoods. And that day was actually yesterday. Which granted
I'm looking for.
they have a birthday party right by her. Right behind them. And I know that y'all can see the little ski mask on her jacket. Her birthday party right behind us. And I know y'all heard her little boy. It's my birthday. It's my mom's birthday. Then her birthday was actually Wednesday, but she had a work and stuff. So we didn't do much. We just went to her house party. How you doing? Now pick back in. Oh, my fault. Cheers.
That was so loud.
I had to take my brother because